Okay folks, thanks for tuning in. Just a quick unboxing today. Got a package from the DX Engineering. So let's open it up and take a look. Oh, we don't even look at that. First of all, lovely stickers. I have so many of these, I don't know what to do with them. If you want some, let me know. I'll mail them to you. And here we have the Yaesu FT-70DR. Anything else in here? Oh, this is the non-poppable kind of bubble wrap. Less fun. But anyway, let's take a look at the box. Standard black and white, you know, very pretty. Looks the same as the other Yaesu handheld boxes. Open it up and take a look here. We have warranty card, manual. I like Yaesu's manuals. They're pretty good, usually. We have an antenna, a nice sealed package. The antenna is the SMA male, which means that the radio itself should be SMA female. So different from the Baofangs, different from, say, the FT-65 and the FT-4. Those have the male, this is the female. Good feeling radio. We have the radio itself. Metal, plastic. Is that plastic? Feels great. Belt clip. Battery. And this is a focus 1800 milliamp hour. So nice. We have charger. Now this is the SAD25, putting out 10.5 volts at 1 amp with a little plug that we plug into the side over, come here, right there. And that's how you charge it. It doesn't come with the quick charging base. You got to pay extra for that. So what the heck, Yaesu. European plug for European people. What is this? USB. Oh, this is the programming data cable thing. Very well packaged. Hot dog, that's not easy. There we go. USB type A to USB, I always get these wrong. Is that a micro or a mini? I think that's a mini. Either way, it's that style. And that goes into there for your programming. So DC programming, single headphone jack for mic and speaker, power, volume, monitor. It's got that nice angled PTT button. I like that. A lot of people complain about that. The 65 and the murderous FT4X have that as well. Really great, particularly if you live in Wisconsin and it's cold and you have to wear gloves. Made in Japan, which is nice. My FT4 is made in Japan, but my FT65 has the made in China sticker, but it's just a sticker. So let's get that on there. Beautiful. Where'd my antenna go? Ow! Crap! That was a thing that happened. A rubber ducky. Screw right on. So one of the first things that I may do to this is adios this and go to and get myself one of these B and C adapters. So I really like these Nagoya NA701s. I can just pop that off, stick a signal stuff on there, the longer ones if need be. But anyway, let's look at this. Ready for it? Ruined the peel. Enter call sign. Very nice. So she turns on. It's a nice hard plastic, soft buttons. It's got these little, I don't know if you can see, these little hard plastic nubbins between the buttons. So you have to deliberately push. You can't, which I guess is good. You can't accidentally push buttons. I have to deliberately push 2, 6, 0. The 0's over here. It's not down below the 8. It's over here. It's got a good feel to it. I really like it. Knobby knob. This battery thing is interesting down here. Instead of just snapping in and having your side slide, you got this nice little gray lock into place, unlock, push button, battery pops out. You do have these little springies here, like you'd get in a battery tray. Well, it's a battery tray. So those might not stand the test of time or get a little bit bent, I don't know, but looks all right. Underneath here, this is what you pop off, and your Mars mod is down there. A nice little lanyard loop there. Yeah, it feels good. It's wide. I wouldn't say chungus, but comfortable to hold. I like that knob. Yeah, so this is just an unboxing. I unboxed it. More to come later. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.